So today I will teach you on how to install common application that we use in our computer and mobile devices. So for now, I will explain to you some examples of application software and system software. So let's start. So our topic for today is install application software are based on the software installation guides and users requirement and software license. So what is application software? Application software, simply application app, has become our everyday companion, from the Microsoft Office suite of products to Gmail and Facebook Messenger. All of us use different types of application software to meet various personal and professional purposes. So lahat tayo is gumagamit ng application software sa pang-araw-araw. So tulad ng Facebook, Messenger at iba't iba pang application. Ang pinaka-common na ginagamit natin is yung Microsoft Office, lalo na kapag ikaw ay estudyante. So lagi mo siyang ginagamit kapag may pinapagawa sa yung mga assignment and all. The next is yung Facebook and Messenger. So lahat naman ng cellphone ngayon is meron ng Facebook and Messenger para mas mapadali yung communication at makasagap agad ng mga information. So next, we've all come a long way from the old generation of computers that had just one application software, which was installed into individual machines using floppy disks and CD-ROMs. Today, we have multiple types of application software to suit every need and purposes. So before, ang ginagamit lang natin is yung floppy disk and CD-ROMs. Ngayon, may mga iba't ibang klase na ng application software na ginagamit natin sa kung ano yung kailangan natin. So, what is application software? So, yun nga, tulad ng sabi ko kanina, ito yung mga computer program na nagpe-perform ng specific function. Pwede ito sa education, or sa educational, pwede rin sa business, or pwede rin na gamitin sa iba't ibang aspect. So, sabi dito, you can think of your cake as a cake and the application software as the frosting on top of it. It is the application software frosting that the user gets to see upfront when you're working with the computer. So, example, meron kang computer tapos wala siyang application software. Sa tingin mo ba magagamit mo siya ng maayos? So, ganun yung ibig sabihin dito na kailangan para mag-function siya, kailangan lagyan natin siya ng mga iba't ibang klase ng application software depending sa needs natin. So, sabi dito, yung application software daw can be divided into two general classes, system software and application software. So, application software, also called end-user programs, include such things as data programs, word processors, web processors, and spreadsheets. So, ito yung mga example ng application software. So, ito na. Dito na tayo. Types of application software. So, some of the commonly used application software are word processor, graphic software, spreadsheet software, presentation software, web browser, enterprise software, information worker software, multimedia software, education and reference software, and content access software. So, ito yung mga iba't ibang klase ng application software. So, start tayo sa presentation software. So, presentation is a type of application software that enables you to represent your thoughts and ideas with ease and clarity by using visual information. It lets you display the information in the form of slides. You can make your slides more informative and engrossing by adding text, images, graphics, and videos. It has three components: text editor to input formal text, insert graphic text, video, and multimedia file slideshow to display the information. So, yung mga presentation software, mga example nito is yung Microsoft PowerPoint presentation, pati yung mga Prezi, tapos script, yung mga available sa web na pwede nating magamit sa pagpe-present. Anything na merong text editor or input and formal text, or may mga graphics, text, video, and multimedia files, ma-consider siya as presentation software kasi nagpe-present ka ng something. So next, web browsers. Web browsers are application software used to browse the internet for locating and retrieving data across the web. The most popular web browsers are Google Chrome and Internet Explorer. Other example of browsers include Firefox, MS Edge, and Safari. So dito sa web browser, ang pinaka-common talaga na ginagamit natin is Google Chrome. kasi madali siyang gamitin at hindi siya ganun kaaksayado sa data. So before, nung di pa masyadong uso si Google Chrome, gumagamit tayo ng Internet Explorer. So ayun yung ginagamit natin. Then pati yung yung Mozilla Firefox pala. So ngayon, lahat most common ng mga users, Google Chrome na yung prefer nila kasi marami siyang offers na features. So yun. Mamaya ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano mag-install ng web browser. So next, multimedia software. Multimedia application software lets you create or record images and create audio or video files. This software is extensively used in animation, graphics, image, and video editing. Popular examples are VLC Media Player and Windows Media Player. So yung multimedia player ito yung ginagamit na software para maka-view tayo ng mga video sa PC. So for example, mayroon kang video file tapos wala kang multimedia software sa PC mo. So hindi mo siya makikita. So kailangan meron kang multimedia software para makita mo yung video na nilagay mo. So next, education and reference software. So this application software, also termed as academic software, is specifically designed to facilitate learning of a particular subject. Various kinds of tutorial software are included in this category. Some of these are Jumpstart, MyPlay, Moodle, and KidPix. So itong mga education and reference software na to ay ginagamit siya mostly sa mga educational institution. So kung familiar naman kayo sa Moodle, so kapag sinabi natin Moodle, ito yung open source na application na pwede kang maglagay ng materials or mga educational materials na need ng students na ma-access nila through website. So ayun yung mga education reference software na tinatawag. Next, graphics software. Graphics application software allows you to edit, make changes in visual data or images. It comprises illustration and picture editor software. Adobe Photoshop and PaintShop Pro are a few examples of graphics software. So yung mga graphics software, karamihan ng gumagamit nito is yung mga mahilig mag-edit ng mga picture. So pwede rin to gamitin kapag example, pinagawa kayo ng mga poster. So pwede kayo gumamit ng Adobe Photoshop para mag-edit at maglagay-lagay ng iba't ibang style dun sa gagawin nyong art. So pwede siyang gamitin, kaso lang license, kailangan pag binibili kasi siya, hindi free ang Adobe Photoshop. So pwede mo siya magamit pero for trial lang. So kung gusto mo siya magamit lifetime, kailangan mo magbayad. So yun. Ayun yung ibig sabihin ng graphics software. So next, spreadsheet software. Spreadsheet application software is used to perform calculations in the software. Data is stored in table format. The intersecting area called cells are separated to define fields such as text, date, time, and number. It allows the users to provide formulas and functions to perform calculation. Microsoft Excel and Google Sheets are examples of spreadsheet software. So dito naman sa spreadsheet software, ito yung ginagamit natin para mas mapadali yung mga ginagawa natin. For example, sa Microsoft Excel, kung gusto mo mag-compute ng students, so madali na lang siya, basta mag-input ka lang doon ng mga formulas para magamit mo yung function ni Excel. So dito naman, next is database software. Database application software is used to create and manage a database. Also known as DBMS, Database Management System. It helps you organize your data. So when you run an application, data is fetched from the database, modified and stored back in the database. Oracle, MySQL, Microsoft SQL Server, PostgreSQL, MongoDB, DBT, and IBM. DB2 are some of the popular databases. So ito yung dito na pupunta yung mga data natin. So yun, database siya. For example, meron akong in-enrollan na learning management system. So meron siyang database na tinatawag. Doon pupunta lahat ng information. So next is word processing software. So word processing application software used to format and manipulate text, thus creating memos, letters, faxes, and documents. Word processing software is also used to format and beautify the text. So itong word processing software. So ginagamit na natin siya sa pang-araw-araw. So Sa Microsoft Office, pwede natin gawin yung mga gusto natin. Tulad sa Word, pwede tayong mag-edit. Pwede natin palakihin yung mga text, pwede natin palitin yung mga text, pwede tayong mag-input ng mga image na kailangan dun sa Word document. So kagandahan lang ni word processing software is pwede ka mag-edit, pwede ka maglagay ng mga iba't ibang klase ng word art or kung ano yung gusto mo maging kulay ng project na ginagawa mo. So, ayun yung pinaka-example niya is Microsoft Word Doc. Ito yung pinaka-common talaga na ginagamit na application software today. So, mamaya ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano mag-install ng Microsoft Word Office. So, simulation software. Simulation application software is used in the fields of military engineering, practical education in certain industries, machinery testing, industrial training, video games. It is used where work on the actual system or physical environment can be hazardous. So yung pag sinabi natin simulation software, ito yung ibig sabihin nito is di mo nire-risk yung sarili mo dun sa isang bagay. For example, ako gusto ko matutong mag-drive ng eroplano. So di naman ako agad-agad mag-drive ng eroplano. Kailangan ko muna mag-undergo ng mga simulation software. Tulad ng mga yung mga nakita natin sa mga time zone, yung ginagamit ng mga bata na sinasakyan nila. So pwede ka mag-drive doon nang di mo kailangan gumamit ng sasakyan. So ganoon yung ibig sabihin ng simulation software. So ginagamit siya sa fields of military engineering and practical education. So napaka-practical na gamitin kasi di mo need i-risk yung sarili mo para sa isang activity. So kailangan mo gumamit ng ng simulation para hindi ikaw yung maapektuhan. So hanggang doon lang yung report ko about sa install and application. So ngayon ituturo ko na sa inyo kung paano mag-install ng Microsoft Office. So ito, first install Office on Windows. So go to your account's Office page, go to www.office.com my account. This will open a page with your Office purchase. So ito yung unang natin gagawin. Pupunta tayo sa account natin. Then next, may kita kayo dyang kulay green o kaya yung kulay pula na nakapaloob na sulat install Office. So click install. It is an orange button below your subscription's name. So pag click mo ng install, ito na, mag-automatic na siyang mag-save. So, ang gagawin mo dito, click install again. Your Office setup file will begin downloading. If you purchase the student version of Microsoft Office, skip this step. So, kapag bumili ka daw ng Microsoft student version, skip mo lang yung step. So, next, double-click the Office setup file. Ipa-edit yung computer default download location. So, yung setup nun is may kita lang natin sa default download. Number 5. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? So click yes when prompt. Doing so will run the step file and begin installing Office on your computer. So kapag inallow natin siya, mag-start na siyang mag-install. So wait. Step 6. Wait for Microsoft Office to finish installing. This process may take several minutes. So kailangan lang natin siya hintayin na may ilang minuto para mag-install. So once installed na siya, click close when prompt. Microsoft Office programs have now been installed on your computer. You're free to begin using these programs right away. So kung makikita nyo, napakadali lang mag-install ng Microsoft Office sa PC nyo. So ito lang yung mga basic steps niya kung paano install. So now let's jump to kung paano mag-install ng web browser. So let's start. Sabi dito, today most common way to get new software is download it from the internet. Application like Microsoft Office and the Adobe Photoshop can now be purchased and download right to your computer. So yung mga applications na kailangan natin sa pang-araw-araw, pwede na natin siya ma-download sa web. So paano natin siya ma-download kung wala tayong web? So ngayon ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano mag-install ng Google Chrome. o yung free web browser na ginagamit ngayon. So, let's start. All we have to do is to download Chrome. So, step 1, locate and download an exe file. So, makita naman natin dyan, download Chrome. Second, locate and double-click the file, the exe file. It will usually be in your downloads folder. So, sa downloads folder lang naman siya nakikita kapag nag-install tayo. Step 3, a dialog box will appear. Follow the instructions to install the software. So, hintay lang natin siya mag-install. Number 4, the software will be installed. You can now open the application from the Start menu, Windows 7, or the Start screen, Windows 8. So, ganun lang, napaka-basic lang niya install. So, once na na-install mo na siya, mag-appear na siya dun sa desktop mo. So, yun. The software will be installed. You can now open the application from the Start menu. So, ganun lang siya kadaling i-install. So, yun lang naman yung mga basic na na ginagamit natin na application software, which is yung web browser tsaka yung Microsoft Office. So, yung mga ibang browser naman tulad ng ibang application software naman tulad ng ng Facebook and Messenger, kayang-kaya na natin siyang install ngayon. So, ito lang yung mga common na ginagamit talaga, kaya dapat natin siyang pagtuunan. So, yun lang yung yung discussion ko about install application software. Sana may natutunan kayo.